The Sales Tax Returns page in QuickBooks Online Plus lets you run sales tax reports and view sales tax return information. To open the Sales Tax Returns page, click the Sales Tax Returns link under the Sales Tax app in the All Apps bar. If you are using the Automatic Sales Tax feature in QuickBooks, then the Sales Tax Returns page shows the sales tax returns for the selected sales tax return statuses, tax periods, and taxing agencies. To show sales tax return information for a selected sales tax return status, a selected tax period, or a selected tax agency, select the desired status from the Status drop-down, the desired period from the Tax Period drop-down, and/or the desired agency from the Agency drop-down. Information about the sales tax returns for the selected statuses, periods, and agencies then appears in a list at the bottom of the page. You can click the View Summary link at the right end of any sales tax return to open a window that shows its related sales tax return information, with instructions on how to record the sales tax return if needed. To view the sales tax liability report for the sales tax returns period from this window, click the View Tax Liability Report link at the bottom of this window. This report shows the total amount of sales tax collected for the period selected. However, note that running this report from the sales tax return window closes the sales tax return window. So you will need to return to the Sales Tax Returns page again to view your returns. Alternatively, to view sales tax reports from the Sales Tax Returns page, click the Reports drop-down button in the Sales Tax Returns page and select the name of the sales tax report to run in the drop-down menu. You can select either the Sales Tax Liability Report, which shows the sales tax liabilities, Taxable Customer Report, which shows all taxable customers, or Non-Taxable Transaction Review, which lists non-taxable transaction lines. Note that running the Sales Tax Liability Report or Non-Taxable Transaction Report this way shows year-to-date data by default instead of data for a selected sales tax period. To change the date range of the sales tax report to show the data for the desired period, use the Report Period drop-down in the upper left corner of the report. To return to the Sales Tax Returns page after running any sales tax report, click the Back to Sales Tax Returns link in the report's upper left corner. Additionally, QuickBooks Online provides a taxable sales detail report that details the sales of taxable products and services to customers, and a taxable sales summary report that shows total sales of taxable products and services. These reports are contained in the standard sales tax report category, which also contains the sales tax liability report, giving you yet another way to run that report too. To run any of these three sales tax reports, click the Standard Reports link in the Reports and Analytics bar. Then scroll down through the list of report categories at the right side of this page until you find the Sales Tax Report category. You can click the arrow next to the Sales Tax Report category label to expand and collapse this section if needed. To run one of the three sales tax reports in this section, click its name within this section to open it, and then change its report settings as needed. To return to the Standard Reports list, click the Back to Standard Reports link in the upper left corner of the Reports page. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.